हेलो एवरीवन। तो इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग 1906। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग? आंसर इज नवाब सलीमुल्लाह. Okay, Aga Khan was a founding member and the president of the All India Muslim League. His goal was the advancement of the Muslim agenda and protection of Muslim rights in India. 1906, the meeting was organized during the Dhaka session, which is known as the All India Muslim Education Conference. Dhaka session, which is known as All India Muslim Education Conference. The founding meeting was hosted by the Nawab Khwaja Salimullah and attended by 3,000 delegates, of which 56 were temporary members. Nawab Waqar ul Mulk and Nawab Mohsen ul Mulk both were jointly appointed as the secretary of Mohammedan Education Conference. Lucknow was the headquarter of the Muslim League and the Aga Khan was the first president. If you have all the three options in the question, that is Salimullah Khan, Aga Khan and Mohsen Mulk, your answer should be Salimullah Khan. अदरवाइज अगर तीनों में से कोई एक चूज करना है आप सलीमुल्लाह खान, और अगर जो है एक ही ऑप्शन आपको आता है कोई, तो आप कोई भी आगा खान भी चूज कर सकते हो, मोहसिन उल मुल्क भी चूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फाउंडर ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग वाज नवाब सलीमुल्लाह. नवाब सलीमुल्लाह वाज द फाउंडर. 1906 Muslim League was founded at where? Dhaka. All India Muslim League was founded in the year 1906. Who was the first president of the Muslim League? Aga Khan was the first president. Aga Khan was the first president. Okay, next question is the annual session of Muslim League in the year 1907 was held at Karachi. So first session was held at Lucknow and the Dhaka. First session was held at Dhaka and second session, annual session of Muslim League in 1907 was held at Karachi. The Muslim League was founded in 1906 at Dhaka, Bangladesh, to safeguard the rights of the Indian Muslims. The first session of All India Muslim League was held at Karachi. Okay, this was the first session. 1906 was the founding session in Dhaka, and the first session of Muslim League in 1907 was held at Karachi and presided by the Adamji Peer Bhai, and 1908 it was held in Amritsar. So we have the statement and reason. A is legal refuse to accept Congress Muslim people right, together with the aim being to achieve the only Muslim League has the right of such type. So A is correct but R is wrong. A is correct but R is wrong, as legal refuse to accept the Muslim League to Congress because they pretend like the only institution which represent the Muslim in India. Hence A is correct. But only Muslim League has the right is incorrect. Second question is the reference to the Indian freedom struggle. With the reference to the Indian freedom struggle, which one of the following statement is not correct? So A is not correct. Hakim Azmal Khan was one of the leaders to start the nationalist and militant Ahrar movement. It is not correct. It is not correct. Okay. Sorry, it is correct. It is correct. Let's see it again. So Hakim Azmal Khan. Hakim Azmal Khan was one of the leader to start the nationalist and militant Ahrar movement. Okay, so now we have to remember that Ahrar movement was established, and militant and nationalist and militant Ahrar movement was established by Hakim Khan. Okay, Hakim Khan, he was the leader. Second option, when the Indian National Congress was founded, Syed Ahmad Khan opposed it. That is also correct. Third is All India Muslim League, which has formed in 1906, opposed the partition of Bengal and separate electorates. This is wrong, because Muslim have had no contribution or not any. They did not show any keen interest in the partition of Bengal or anti-partition movement. So ये जो है गलत हो जाएगा. और दूसरा क्या था कि they did not oppose the partition of Bengal. तो ये चीज़ हमारी गलत हो गई. नेक्स्ट हमारा है मौलाना बरकतुल्लाह and the मौलाना ओयदुल्लाह were among those who formed a provincial government in all India in Kabul. तो ये that is also correct. ठीक है. तो मौलाना ओयदुल्लाह and मौलाना बरकतुल्लाह they formed the provincial government in Kabul. तो ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम फॉर्म 1906 सपोर्टेड द बंगाल पार्टीशन. दे डिमांडेड द सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट इन द लीडरशिप ऑफ आगा खान. Next question is the Muslim deputation met Minto in 1906 at Shimla and pleaded for. So they pleaded for the electorate, separate electorate for the Muslims. They pleaded for the separate electorate for Muslims. They never opposed the separate electorate, but they pleaded for it. ठीक है? So Shimla deputation organized by the Indian Muslim leaders. Aga Khan met the Governor General and the Viceroy of Lord Minto Simla in 1st October 1906. The aim of the deputation, what was the goal of the deputation, was to win the sympathy of the British rule on the matter relating to their interests. Therefore, to safeguard their interests, the Muslim leaders drew up a plan to separate electorate for their community. Next question is a London branch of All India Muslim League was published in 1908 under the presidency of अमीर अली. ठीक है, अमीर अली. फिर से देख लेते हैं. लंदन ब्रांच ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग, लंदन ब्रांच ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग was published in 1908 under the presidency of Amir Ali. Headquarter of Muslim League was established at the Lucknow. London branch of the All India Muslim League was established in 1908 under the presidency of Amir Ali to put pressure on the British government for Muslim causes. Next question is ओके ये कंप्लीट हो गया है. नेक्स्ट में हम मॉडल विंटर रिफॉर्म को देखेंगे. ठीक है, मॉडल विंटर रिफॉर्म को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.